So we're spending some time here with our Kymco X-Town 300, and we thought to ourselves it's a great day for a ride. Let's go down to Spartanburg, South Carolina and go visit Kymco USA and see what they got going on down there. So we're in here. It's kind of top secret, so we really can't show too much, turns out, from our visit to Kymco. But they got a lot going on. Saw a lot of the inventory. If you're looking for a Kymco, they've got them. There's dealers all across the country. the Like 150, you got to check that out. That's a really neat scooter. Saw some of the Nudo stuff. That's pretty cool. Some really neat ATVs, and there's a lot going on. So if you're in the market for a Kymco, find a dealer. They've got them. We've got repair manuals or repair information for them, and check it out and let us know if you have any questions, need any help.